Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ann, and today I'm going to be sharing a very brand new subscription with you. Actually, this month I did get two different subscriptions, and I'm going to be sharing both of them with you when I get them. The first one I got today, and I'm very excited about it. It's a little subscription. It ain't really much. It is called Earfleek. It comes in this cute little envelope. With this one, it was kind of weird because with everything, I always get tracking, so I know where it's at. I know when I'm going to be getting it. And with this, it was probably over 10 days ago. They said, it's, I think around the 15th, 13th or 15th, they told me they was going to send it out, or it was coming out, and I don't know. I kept waiting, trying to check to see if I could track it because it took forever to get it. But today I did, and this is a monthly subscription. They have different styles you can get. One being Baja or Classic or Boho, and I don't know. I picked. I don't even remember what I picked, but it's $3.75 a month. The first month I did get it half off, so I think it was $1.75. But we're gonna go ahead and check it out. It does say a little thing on the back. It says, "A girl should be two things: classy and fabulous." Right there. So we will just check this out. Now me, I love earrings. I would normally wear them a lot. Now here in the last few months, I ain't really been wearing them a lot, but I have 3 holes on each side, then I'm pierced up here. So here is the inside of the card. It says, "Hey girls, here's a fun pair of earrings styled just for you. Hope you love your new bling. P.S. Share your new look for a chance to win a free year." So this is the little card that came with it. And right here, they are protected really good. Then they come in this other little container, or not container, little zip bag, and it's really thick too. And here they are. They're like a rose gold color. It would be something I would wear, so I am very happy with these. Normally I do clean my earrings before I put them in. Now see, I like them. I like big earrings, and I like for this one I like small earrings. But when I go on up, I like the smaller I go. But I do like these. I think they're so pretty, and these was just $1.75, so you really can't beat that. I've been trying to find some new subscription stuff that I'll be happy with. I looked into Roxbox, but it's $21 a month, and they give you like a credit. What they send you is not yours to keep. You use your $21 credit, or you lose your credit if you don't want what they send you. You can keep it as long as you want to, but I don't want to pay $21 and get something I'm not happy with it, and then I send it back, and then I don't want to rent jewelry. I just don't find that that's my cup of tea. I want a subscription when I get jewelry that it's mine to keep. It's new jewelry. So I kind of felt like, I tried it once and I sent it back, and I just was not very happy with it. So I've been looking around, and that's how I came across this. I did see another YouTuber get them, but I figured I'd give it a try because I'm just not into the renting the jewelry and then having to pay. I think the box they did send me, it was going to be almost $200, and it was not real jewelry. It was fake, so I'm not giving almost $200 for a ring that fade it like in 2 days, and a necklace and a little pair of earrings. None of it being real, it just was not reasonable to me. So, but if you guys know of any good jewelry subscriptions, just leave it down in the comments below, and I'll give it a check, because I am looking for something like that, because I've got a lot of beauty subscriptions, and I've been like going back and forth on them. Like right now, I decided to keep Ipsy, and I am. Let me see. I was supposed to get a November Birchbox. I skipped it in October, and a Sephora Play, but for some reason, I think it's where I canceled my card and had to get a new one. So I think like that's what's going on, because Birchbox did write me. Sephora I ain't ever said anything, but Birch did say that they was going to send it out. They was just I don't know, something was just it's supposed to be like 10 days after, but it's been like since the 7th and days to like the 24th or 25th. So I don't know. Maybe I'll get it soon. But I am looking for some new subscriptions to try, and just to see what's out there. But I would like to thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to share my Earfleek with you and what cool earrings I did get. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give it a like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys again. I'll see you in the next one.